Hello everyone. Are you ready to explore a revolutionary shift in India's legal landscape? Today we dive into my latest book on New Indian Criminal Laws, a guide spanning over 750 pages. This book unpacks the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS), Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita (BNSS), and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam (BSA). These three transformative legislations redefining justice in India. Stick around as we uncover the essence of this masterpiece and how it simplifies complex legal changes for everyone. India's previous legal frameworks, dating back to colonial times, served their era but failed to address modern challenges. This book explains how the new laws aim to align with today's societal values and technological advancements. From recognizing digital records as admissible evidence to introducing community service for minor offenses, these reforms mark a significant departure. This book provides readers with the tools to understand these laws' implications for both individuals and the justice system. What sets these books apart? This book has meticulously structured to include comparative tables contrasting old and new laws for a clear understanding of changes, scenario based case studies for real world applications, insights from Supreme Court rulings to highlight judicial interpretations. These features ensure the content is practical and accessible to students, legal professionals, police officials, and all law enforcement agencies. Forensic science plays a critical role in modern legal systems. This book dedicated sections are there to forensic methodologies under the new laws, focusing on protocols like zero FIRs, EFIR, and digital evidence handling. This book insights bridge the gap between law enforcement and forensic experts, ensuring investigations are thorough and compliant with legal standards. As cybercrime escalates, this book provides a comprehensive guide also to tackling digital offenses under BNS 2023 and IT Act. It explains the legal nuances of handling cyber evidence and the growing relevance of cybersecurity laws. For practitioners and tech-savvy citizens, this section also is invaluable for understanding and combating cyber threats effectively. This book is designed for a wider audience, students and academicians seeking clarity on modern laws, legal practitioners requiring updates on procedural changes, judicial officers and aspirants preparing for competitive exams, law enforcement, forensic professionals adapting to new legal mandates. Even this book is a valuable resource to the AOR exams, advocates on records exams, with its detailed analysis and practical application. This book is a treasure trove for anyone connected to India's legal system. It's a gateway to understanding a transformative era in Indian jurisprudence. Whether you are a legal professional, police officials, judicial magistrate first class exam aspirants, students, or simply a curious mind, this guide equips you with the knowledge to navigate these new legal waters confidently. I invite you to explore these new criminal laws and join this movement to embrace modern justice. Thank you for being part of this launch.